In product work, I often feel that people jump to the conclusion that building product remotely is really hard, which it is anyway, and don't consider whether there are tools out there that can make it so much easier. It feels like different people and different teams use a different tool for everything. So by the time I've gone from ideating new ideas to working with design on mockups and user research to doing a proof of concept with engineering to writing out a roadmap and requirements, I've gone through a million different tools. But let me show you how you can use InVision to literally do every single thing you need to as a product manager. You can brainstorm your ideas, you can plan and document all your research, put together a business model canvas for your product and engineering stakeholders, put together a product roadmap, collaborate with engineering on solution designs, do retros, plan sprints, review product wireframes and high fidelity mockups with, even though designers are doing their work in Figma, you can collaborate with engineering and design all in one place. Give feedback however you like because this is a digital whiteboard, so you can use emojis or post-its or whatever else you prefer. Now, design and engineering also need to collaborate, so design can put in their high fidelity screens, provide an annotation for anything that developers need to know. They can send it to Jira right from here. So check out InVision if you're looking for one place to do all your product work with all your cross-functional teams.